Why you should choose Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. All-in-one cleaning solution, meeting multiple needs. Equipped with an advanced 3-in-1 cleaning system, this robotic vacuum cleaner combines vacuuming and mopping in one machine. It can handle both dry dirt and wet stains in one go, eliminating the need for additional cleaning tools and saving you time and effort. Powerful 4500 PA suction, tackling stubborn dirt. With a strong 4500 PA suction, it effortlessly picks up dust, pet hair, and small debris from carpets. Whether it's fine dust hidden in floor crevices or stubborn pet hair, this robot vacuum cleaner ensures a deep and thorough clean every time. Extended battery life, covering large areas. This robotic vacuum cleaner boasts a 60-minute battery life, allowing it to clean large living spaces, including spacious living rooms, bedrooms, and even open-plan offices, on a single charge. You won't have to worry about it running out of power mid-cleaning, ensuring efficient and complete cleaning tasks. Ultra-thin design, reaching every corner. Its ultra-thin body easily slides under low furniture like sofas, beds, and cabinets, reaching areas that traditional cleaning tools can't. No need to bend down or move furniture to clean those dusty corners, ensuring every inch of your home is spotless. Optimized for pet hair and hard floors, versatile performance. Specifically optimized for pet hair and hard floors, it excels at collecting pet hair without tangling, keeping your home free from pet-related messes. On hard surfaces like wood, tiles, and laminate, it glides smoothly and effectively mops, leaving a streak-free finish, making it an ideal choice for pet owners and households with hard floors. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.